If you follow Carson's Bazaar online, you'll know that I'm a pretty big wrestling fan. So when I saw the Kickstarter edition of TT Combat's Rumbleslam going at a really good price on eBay, I had to pick up a copy of it. So we're going to take a look inside of that today. But I've got 3 words for you. Are you ready? So here's Rumbleslam from TT Combat. It's been out for a couple of years now, but it's a game that I think should get a bit more love than it seems to get. I've never seen a wrestling board game like this before. I've been watching a lot of videos online recently of it, and like I say, I saw a really good price for this going on eBay, so I had to pick it up. It's the Kickstarter edition of it, so there's a few extra things in this, and there's a bunch of the different stretch goals, special characters and things like that in here as well. So just take everything out of the box and then we'll go through what's in there as well. If I can avoid dropping everything on the floor as usual. So there's a really good selection of miniatures in this. I'll just pick this guy up. Okay. And I'll drop him again. Okay. I am useless. Okay, so I'm back. Found him on the floor. So, TT Combat's Rumbleslam. It's a Royal Rumble style elimination wrestling game, and it's got a bunch of like your fantasy tropes in there. You've got your elves, dark elves, orcs, humans, trolls, ogres, things like that. So all the races are pretty familiar. Now then, you've got your cards that you use for your character stats here. You've got your little quick sheet cards as well. So you've got your basic actions, beatdowns, reversals, your initiative card as well, and wrestler abilities on them. And I just stop you from having to constantly root through the rule book for everything. The rule book itself is well planned out, really good colour images, really clear diagrams to help you learn the basics of the game. And your character cards, so you've got here, you've got Tartan, who is a Rowdy Roddy Piper parody, I suppose. Which that's something that I really liked about this game as well, was the familiar wrestlers from like the 80s and 90s that have had a bit of a twist put on them. But then you've got some of your later 90s wrestlers that you'll recognise as well, like Kurt Angle, who's been back recently. Just really good versions of these wrestlers, really. So then you've got your rookie style cards. So you've got things like the Goblin Grappler. You've got the Orc Grappler, who's one of your standard ones in this team. There's 2 teams that you get in the starter set. There's like your Orc and Goblins, and there's your human style team as well. So what have we got here? The Orc Brawler we've got on this card here, and you'll find that the pictures that are on the card do match up with the pose that the models are in as well. So at a glance, it's clear to see what model is what, which is something that TD Combat were really pushing for in the art style and the like the 3D renders and models that would eventually come out of them, just so it was really quick. You could see exactly who it was and what model was doing what. So you've got all the cards here. All these cards match up with the models that I've got in this set. As you buy expansions and boosters, you'll get more cards for the wrestlers that you get with them. Event cards, which you use your starting money, because you've got to pay for the wrestlers that you take in on your team, and your leftover money you can get some of these event cards which give you different bonuses and effects during the game and things. There's ones where you can make a wrestler from both teams disappear. So if you're in a bit of a tricky situation, or maybe if you've got, say, the enemy's got the troll left, you've got the halfling and a human there, use that card. You're sacrificing one of your guys and they've only got one left, they'll have to sacrifice that. You're then the only one left in. Bit of a cheesy way to win, I suppose, but it's wrestling, so who cares? Now the models themselves are really good. The detail on them's incredible. I'm really looking forward to painting these up. You've got the troll, and he's there in his singlet in a pretty awesome pose as well, with these kind of rock outcrops on his back. And this is just going to be a really good model to paint. I'm really looking forward to this one. They come with clear bases. Some of these have been stuck on already. I'll probably be taking them off just so I don't get paint all over the clear bases. I don't have to clean them. And really good. Really like that. With the clear bases, it'll be really easy to see the markings on the wrestling ring mat as well. So it's a neoprene mat, so like your mouse mat kind of thing. I really like these kinds of gaming mats. It sticks to the table a lot better than a paper mat, and it's also a lot more hard wearing. So your ring is broken up with these little square sections, and that just makes it easy so you know where you're moving on there as you're rebounding off the ropes and things. So one of the special characters that I've got here is the Gravedigger, and there's no prize for guessing who this model is based on. There's actually two heads for this character, so you've got him with the hat and there's one without, which I'm kind of tempted to take the hat head off and magnetize it, so then he's got an entrance attire and a ring attire, but that's just me always wanting to make things harder for myself than it has to be. One of the things that made me have to get the Kickstarter edition when I saw it, because I'm a total completionist, is the sign girl, for the round counting. It's nothing spectacular. That doesn't really change anything for the game. It's something extra, and I'm a completionist, so I had to get it. So that was a quick look at Rumbleslam by TT Combat. Really looking forward to getting a game of this on, and if you'd like to see more from us, then give us a like, comment, subscribe, join the club.